yung kapaligan po, mga naka-purple short pero naka-white. And there you have it. The first field goal para sa Naga, courtesy of Sablaon. Yun, wala pa rin. Of number 6. Mukhang matamlay pa yung kanyang mga tuhod.
Medyo hindi pa pinagpapawisan. Makikita natin mamaya when pag pinagpawisan na yung mga players, talaga mag-a-adjust sa loob ng court.
Mukhang take a look at this slow-mo, a replay. That's a good play from Sablaon to Sambayo. That's a good passing. Was that a triple?
No, it's only 2 points.
That's a long two-pointer only. Sambayo. Sablaon. Stops and pops, and that's good.
Very reliable talaga ang jump shot ni Sablaon.
Because of that defense. Sablaon fakes and finds Owen Mendinilla underneath, and that's a good find for Sablaon.
ONC talaga yung talon niya. Kaya talagang you have to box out and play defense pag nasa ilalim na si Owen Mendinilla.
That's from way downtown, pero that one, that last sequence is a successful one for Team Naga. Kailangan ng huwag na kayong umalis sa inyong mga bahay kung nanonood kayo online kasi wala na kayo ditong mapaglalagyan, sigurado. Owen Mendinilla finds number 22. Was that Sablaon?
I guess yes, Sablaon.
Yes, it is Sablaon.
Ng Naga.
Okay. Good find! Pero that was not a very good shot mula kay Jamil Bulawan as we take a look at guy.
Mukhang nasaktan si Raymar Aquino. Tip or magic bunot na ginagawa ni Coach Brian Ayo. Rolled off the bench pero nakatikado ng 2 3 points kagad.
Ganun dapat ang player. Kahit na natagalan ka sa bench, pagka ipinasok ka, dapat nandun pa rin yung confidence mo
Yes,
to take those important shots.
Yes, kaya nga sinasabi na deep game na